baby, sugar baby, sugar baby, sugar baby. Like 3 at night, and I have not done anything. So we're gonna hook Stella up to her feed and then let her sit down and eat some food. Huh? Some food. But we aren't really doing much. Mommy will probably do laundry. Oh, Stella doesn't like that. Okay, bye. Okay. So, from the last place, you saw me sitting on the couch, Stella getting mad. Now Miss Stella is happy, eating her cookies. Huh? Are you eating your cookies?
I got the filet mignon steak for dinner. I'm gonna keep this.
She's starting to get really good control over her hands. So if you put one in one hand, she could switch it over to the other hand. But she's getting good control. You're so big. But other than that, I need to do laundry and clean because our house is a mess. Robert's supposed to do dishes, which is gross. Don't look at those. Actually, I shouldn't show you. But there's just been so much going on that, like, we haven't had time to clean, we haven't had time to, like, do laundry, and so I have a little bit of time now, and it's, like, everything's good, no one's stressed out, so I think I'm gonna do that. So it's currently like 10-ish, and Stella was sleeping and she woke up. She's supposed to be hooked up to her feed at 9, but we didn't do that. I'm gonna give it all to her right now, and it should be the start of her continuous feed overnight. So yeah, just gonna get Stella ready for bed. You ready to go to bed? Oh yeah, she's sleepy. Sleepy. Okay. Just like that, she's ready to go to bed. I do have to give her her sodium bicarb before... Oh, excuse you. That fart was tough. I do have to give her her sodium bicarb before we put her in for the night. So, I'm just gonna do that really quickly. Sorry if you hear that beeping. It's her pump telling us that it's done, or it's ready to start. So most nights I would swaddle her, but she seems pretty tired already, so we're just gonna blanket her and turn on her glowworm and leave her. She should be good. it's not really morning anymore. What's new? We just gotta get Stella ready for the day. So that means changing her and giving her medicine, and getting her dressed. Yeah. Hey, good morning. It's Mama. Good morning. Oh no. What? Buddy. Hi everybody, I'm with Keely. He doesn't like to be on the camera. And Stella's in the back, and we are going, or we have to run an errand to the post office, because ever since we moved into the apartment, we've been getting someone else's mail, so we have to constantly bring it back to the post office. And then we're gonna go get some lunch, breakfast, brunch. So yeah, let's do that. Hi guys!
Oh, it's recording. Put that in your recording.
Well, no, I can't use any of that. Hi guys! So, some time has passed. Went to the bank, went to City Hall, got my hair fixed. Semi. But now we're just home and cuddling in bed, having some family time. Because we're lazy. Okay, now that we have gotten out of bed, we have decided to clean the house a little bit because we won't be home for the next couple days because we'll be in the hospital and we don't want to come home to a messy house when we're coming home. So I'm here doing all this laundry and Robert's up there doing all those dishes, and Stella, you can see her, she's up there eating and staying out of the way. Yeah, just doing some laundry. Having the time of my life.
Well, they were really weird about us doing stuff last time, you know? They're like, oh no, well, usually it needs to be a nurse that does the thing that we literally do every night.
Every day.
Yeah. Say hi to the camera, Stella. Yeah, you looked right there. Hi.
Packing some diapers.
No, she doesn't like that. Grumpy baby. Grumpy baby. Do you want Ellie?
And we know that it's a panda bear, but all of her other ones are elephants, and we've been told by our PT to just all binkies should be called the same thing, so it's just an Ellie now. Okay, Okay, so part of getting ready for a surgery is you gotta do a HIPAA cleanse bath or shower, and so we're getting Stella ready for that. Doing that, she's in a little bit of a bath, and then what you do is you bathe her normally with baby soap and whatnot, and then you completely rinse out the tub, or just to make sure there's no water, and then you massage or gently like put the HIPAA cleanse on her from her neck down. We'll be focusing mostly on her tummy area just because that's where the surgery will be. And then you wash it up. And this is Stella in the tub. Stella? Stella? What are you doing? Are you sitting in the bathtub like a big girl? Hi. Hi, sugar baby. Sugar baby. Okay, so the cleanse went as good as could be expected. Stella doesn't really like to get in and out of the bath too much, and so she's not too happy because we had to put her in the bath and clean her and then take her out and then put the HIPAA cleanse stuff on her. And so she's not too happy with this whole bathing experience, but Robert just patted her dry and changed her. And he's gonna get her dressed. She's definitely ready for bed. Definitely. I think we all are. But keep you updated if anything else happens. Good morning! It is bright and early, 4:30 in the morning, and we're all packed and ready to go to Children's. We are just waiting for my mom to come pick me up. We got all of Stella's toys and diapers, her pump, my personal stuff in my bag, both our clothes in that bag, blankets. Stella's over there ready to go eating something. What are you eating? Oh, great. Okay. Robert's getting Stella a water, and we're pretty much ready to go. Have anything to say?
Woo, it's too early.
Well, we're just waiting for my mom and Keely to come get us, and we will be off.
Parents are awake before noon.
Hi guys, we made it to Children's. We just ate some breakfast, and we're just waiting to check in at our appointment. Yeah, we're very excited. It was a very snowy drive. But yeah. We're having a good day so far. Huh? Are you having a good day? Yeah. Okay, just a quick update. We're all checked in for our surgery, and we got our pager to tell us when to go back. And we're just waiting to go do the pre-op zone, and then Stella will be taken back, and then we'll just wait for her to be done. Fun stuff.
It was like 10, 9, and it was the next day. I was like, oh my gosh.
We're getting one step closer. She's got her gown on, and we just bathed her with some towelettes.
Yummy.
Yummy, and she's getting a little fatigued, and so she's not very happy, but
She's
we're almost there. Almost there. Huh? Huh? You're so strong. Yeah. And Robert and Mom are in the room, and we're just doing the pre-operation stuff. Okay, gotta go before the baby starts crying. Okay, after what seemed like 10 hours, it was really like 4 hours, we finally got Stella to go back to surgery, and at the very end they drugged her, and she just looked in peace. So we're good to go, and now we just wait the hour and a half, and hopefully I can take a nap, and hopefully things go well. So keep your fingers crossed. Okay, so it's now like 7:40, and we were just moved across the hospital because where they were doing was shutting down. And so Stella's still in surgery, and she's scheduled to be out at about 8 o'clock-ish, and then I'll hopefully be able to go back and see her, and then we'll be put in a room, and it's all just getting very late. I'm tired.
exhausted.
Hi, just doing a quick update. Last one, I think, this long day. We have Stella with us. She has her new PD catheter put in, and she is coming off of anesthesia really well and handling the pain really well. We're in our room, but we have a little new roommate. I'm watching Scooby-Doo, living the best life, and we're kind of just waiting, I think, a little bit longer until Stella's a little bit more asleep to get me asleep, because I am tired. I've been up and stuff, and I've been up since 2 in the morning. I can barely talk anymore. Yeah, I just wanted to like keep everybody updated and let everybody know how our girl is doing. I sure am looking worse and worse as the week goes on, but let me pause my it is now Thursday morning, about 9:30, and we had a good night. Stella's really good. She woke up a couple times and was fuzzy, but for just coming out of surgery, she did great. She's now just on and off of Tylenol, so right now she's on Tylenol and she's very just relaxed. She's very relaxed, which is what we want. But yeah, right now we're just waiting.
The complimentary coffee card will be by the unit coordinator desk and salmon elevators for the next 10 minutes. Free coffee, snacks, and information card will
Free
be by
coffee for the next 10 minutes. But right now we're just waiting for her to heal a little bit more, and nephrology will come by and visit us. Yeah, pretty boring day in the hospital. So I haven't really checked in a while, and I'm pretty much where I was when I was this morning. But Mom and Keely came and visited today, and we should be able to go home tomorrow because Stella is healing up super nicely and everyone's super impressed with her. Right now she's just semi-sleeping, but yeah, fingers crossed we get to go home tomorrow and get released early so we can leave before the snow hits in Seattle. Okay, not much updates from today, but we are on our way home and it is snowy, so it'll be a long drive home, but good news is we're going home. And Miss Stella is in the car next to me, and we are happy and healthy and can't wait to go home. Okay, so I haven't really filmed in a little bit. We've really just been relaxing and not doing much, so there's not much to really say about anything. But today is Carter James's first birthday. Carter is Robert's cousin's son, so he's our nephew?
No, he's a cousin.
I'm gonna call him my nephew, because I'm Auntie Kylie, so he's my nephew. I'm Auntie Kylie. But it's his birthday, so since we've been so busy, we had to go into the store today and pick him a present because we just didn't have time. But we got him some really cute clothes and a toy, and then we just picked up Alexis something. She's had a really hard year. I mean, being a mom for the first year is hard. Being a mom for any amount of years is hard. So we just picked up her something small, and then we also got a bookcase, which is really exciting because right now we're using a really old bookcase. It's not even a bookcase. It's a shoe rack. That's been in my family since we were super little, and it's made out of plywood.
I think I don't know if it's called plywood. It's whatever wood is shaven up and pasted together.
So really crappy, and we've been using it as a bookcase. So I picked up that, but now we're just heading back into Blaine to go to Carter James's birthday dinner party because his party got canceled because of the snow, which it is snowing right now here.
But it's not that crazy.
It's not that crazy. It's just little flakes. But she was gonna have it down south towards Seattle, and down south it was very crazy. It was just a lot of snow. So yeah, we'll see what else we do today.
I think I should shave my beard.
I think you should
keep it.
Are you too hot? No. I just want to make sure you guys like it. Yeah.
This has been trimmed to fit. This has been improved. This one,
Yay!
quite good enough to decide to occasion. You could really not because it's like a 5 something. It's got a nice flavour there, good texture, good. Let's have a look at this one. This is at a good stage.
Ron, he doesn't have a jacket on.
That's your favourite food. Okay. This one's been over-breathed again. Big fat bottom on that one as well. The structure's quite dense. It's not bad though. It tastes well. This is.
Hi guys, we're home from the birthday. Oh, you're making me do it?
Yeah.
We're home from the birthday and it's like crazy snowing now, and my windshield wipers on my car don't work, so we almost we almost had to stay, had to take someone else's car, but we figured it out. We're home. I didn't really show anything from the party just because I don't know who's comfortable with being filmed and who's comfortable with having their kids filmed or whatnot. So we'll see. Yeah, right now we're just getting Stella ready for bed. She pooped and it smells really bad. Like really bad. Yeah, we're getting her ready for bed, and we're just gonna, I think, sit out in the living room and enjoy the snow and maybe watch a movie. Robert might play some games, and yeah.
Bookshelf.
Oh, we're gonna build our bookshelf! So yeah, just get Stella changed.
Look at that beautiful baby.
Here's Stella. I just wanted to quickly hop on and in this week's vlog, we ended up finishing the bookcase, but I'll show it to you another time because it got really late and I was really tired. So I just took my makeup off and gonna take some melatonin and I'm gonna go to sleep because it's 12:30 to almost 1 o'clock in the morning. So yeah, hope you guys like this week's vlog and I'll see you next time. Bye. Okay. Well,
Welcome to the Gun Show!